Hi, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. This is week 2 of Mini Kit Monday. And if you saw my kit that I had created, it's full of Valentine-ish type products. And I wanted to say that the one that I'm putting down right now is probably one of the hardest pieces to use on a 12 by 12 page, in my opinion, because it is a 6 by 8 and there is some writing on it. And it's a little hard to read with the gold foil, but it says, "Be impossible to forget." But I wanted to use this for this photo of my niece, Erica. And this is the mom of the twins, the 2 sets of twins, and I think that she's an amazing woman, and I just wanted to make sure that I honored her with this page. I just love the papers with it. Just gonna do a grid pattern. I figured that that was probably the best thing to do, and just choosing some coordinating papers. It's a little hard to use some of these papers when I look on the back side, so, "Oh, it's so pretty on the other side," but I'm like, "Oh my gosh, girl, you've got so many pretty papers, just let it go." Just use it, for what you can and move on. I'm sure you guys feel the same way. I had a hard time lining up the grid too. I don't know how many times I lifted the papers up and down, but that's the nice thing about the ATG gun, that it lifts up very quickly. Now, as you can see, my kitty cat Sophie is trying to get the little scraps of paper. Sometimes she gets in camera, but I don't think she does in this video, so I think we're good. Now this cut file, I tried to find it within my library and I couldn't find it. So I believe that I got this at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club retreat. There was, oh gosh, and I apologize. I forget who made all of these cut files and just gave them away. So I believe that's where I got it, but I need to trim a little bit of the hearts down in the bottom right-hand corner so that you can, see the writing on that paper, which was the focus, but not exactly what I titled this. I could have, elevated this with some foam tape, but that's a mighty big amount of foam tape to put down, and they would have to be really, really skinny strips, and it's just easier if I don't. I do believe that I elevate the photo instead, because I do like to have a little bit of dimension on each one of my pages. So I want to, whether it be chipboard or, foam stickers or something, I always like to have it some sort of elevation on the paper. It gives it some wonderful dynamics. You don't have to put the wet glue, all the way around the hearts. I don't think you do. If you just do little dots in that way, it just kinda holds it there, I think that that's enough. And by the time I put all the glue down, the glue at the top dried, because it is a quick drying glue. It is by Scotch, it's a tacky glue, and I have to go back and put some more glue up, the very first pieces that I put the wet glue on. That's how fast it dries. So once you put it down, you're pretty much done. You need to be pretty happy. Well, it's not that fast, but probably within the first 10 seconds or so. Now, there's not any blue on this page except for behind the photo, but I really, really, really like the contrast of it. It's just a little bit peeking out behind the photo, and it just has the photo pop a bit. Yep, so here's the foam tape put behind the photo. Now, I buy this foam tape on Amazon. It is not the Scotch brand. It is way cheaper than that. You can just search it on Amazon. You just look for craft foam tape. You'll see the Scotch brand that's like $45, but we found some not that long ago. It was like $9, but it's like the huge roll. So I like it so much better than those, the foam, oh, whatever it's called, you get at the craft store, the foam sheets. I don't like those. I've tried them. They are not my thing. So the little element that I put at the bottom of the photo is what it's pink and it says "You are enough," and that is actually the title of my page. Yeah, I'm having to go back and glue a little bit. Now these gold foil stickers, I think I got those at Tuesday morning. I did, and they're from the DIY shop. And I put wonderful, dream and believe stickers down. And then here's my sequins, music to my heart. These are from Spiegel Mom Scraps. And what I normally do is I place them down first. I try to do them in a group of 3. I like different shapes and sizes, sometimes different colors. But I like to make a little triangle of the sequins. I tried to make it an odd number for a total number of sequins on the page. So I put them down first so that I know where to glue them down. I do use Distress Collage Medium to glue them down. I don't make you watch me do that today. I do want to mention that there are other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday. I will leave a link to their channels below in my description box. Make sure you stop by and see them. Oh, I guess I was wrong. I am going to make you watch me do these to glue them down. Oh, well. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.